Good morning to you all, my dear children. I welcome you all on my channel once again. And in this video, I'm going to give you a brief explanation of the objectives as well as some activities by which we can achieve these learning outcomes easily. And in the first video of this lesson, I have explained the content of the book only. Okay, but now in this these activities I have selected and I have prepared for you. This video is very useful for the teachers also. Now let's have a brief look on the objectives of this lesson. I think the first objective of this lesson is to discuss the life of people related to cleaning jobs. And second is to be able to find out works generally people do not like to do. And third one is to be able to find out the list of different jobs which people likes to do. And the fourth one is how we can develop respect and dignity towards every work or job in our society, amongst our in children. Now, for achieving these objectives, I have prepared the first activity, that is a playway activity in which you can give a sheet of paper to each student of your class and let them write any three jobs he or she wanted to do in his or her life after taking a certain education or after a certain time. And when you collect all these sheets and if you will analyze the answers, as I have already done in my class, uh, mm, then you can find out that most of the children choose so-called white-collar jobs like the doctors, engineers, IPS, IAS officers, and very few will like to do the job of teaching. Maybe one or two, and out of the 40 strength of your class, or maybe teaching at a school level or at a college level. It depends. But nobody will choose the job of cleaning, farming, gardening, carpenting, machines, mechanics, plumbers, etc. While all these jobs are very important to run a society in a smooth way. So, after doing this activity, the reason behind is that, according to me, that we can conclude the regions like that in our society, right from our home or our houses or our society, we never told our children that these works are very important to live comfortably. But the situation is changing. Now, this is going to change that these are treated, these means the jobs, the people doing the jobs of cleaning, farming, and gardening, they are now treated something more important, giving they are giving important having the importance in our life now, and they are treated as warriors. Like in a COVID-19, we have said that the cleaners are our one of the most important part warrior and important part of the society. Now, many policies of many policies has been developed or implemented by our government, like in the education and during the admission time, and after doing taking their education in applying different jobs, in learning vocational courses, and so many things the government has done for these people so that in society they also get the due respect and their conditions must be uplifted to a certain extent, and so that our children and our coming generation respect all these jobs in a proper way. Now let's come to the next learning outcome, that is the life of the people related to the cleaning or the different jobs. Like in the first picture you have seen that the people, this is cleaning with the help of a machine, but here these people are doing with the help of their hand only. This guy is selling vegetables and this is doing the work of a caterer in the hotel or at any restaurant. Such type of works generally our children do not like to do because they thought that the life of these people are full of problems, having low income, having low respect in the society. Yes, and it is true also because the life of these are not easy because they have to do more hard work with the help of their hands only, and uh, no due respect uh, they have in the society. But what we have to do is that now in our society changes are going on and many machines are developed to do the cleaning jobs, such as the machines we see at the railway stations, airports, highways, in the hospitals, or also in the higher educational institutions. Now these cleaning jobs are done with the help of machines, but still a lot of work has to be done in this area. Okay, and this is an open-ended question. Now the second one, the third TLO is that to list out the different works people don't like to do. These are the things which we generally don't want to do, and we don't also tell our children to do. Okay, after taking graduation you go to do the farming or sell vegetables. No. Why? Because I think as a children of your age, these three reasons are quite okay for you to know is that it was a belief in our society that such works are taken up by uneducated people or a certain community. Now, here just observe the word was. Now, it was in the past. It has not changed a lot. The mindset of the people has changed a lot. Now, the very well educated people are coming in these areas of jobs, and some before that they thought that this is a low income group and low they have a low respect in the society, but all the this is now changing. Now the next is TLO is to find out the different works people like to do. Generally we want our children to do such kind of jobs like teaching in high institutions like engineering, doctors, or army officers, or like this. The reasons behind all these things are that generally they thought that highly educated people do these jobs. They are highly paid, they get more money, their lives are very easy, they are happy in their life, and they have a high respect in the society. Yes, children, this is there, but along with that, all the jobs in the society are very important and they are equally treated as a important part of the society. But how can we develop all these things in you, in children, like so that we can give respect and dignity towards these kinds of jobs? Like first thing we can do is that the initiatives of Gandhiji and Dr. Bhim like Raoji, like people should not only taught today's children in the form of book or in the form of a literature, but as a parent or as a teacher or as a part of our society we should set examples by doing and paying respect to such people in natural way as it is happening these days in the COVID-19. And now second thing we can do is that we can also develop the habit of using proper dustbins in our children, and in this way we keep our environment clean and help our clean warriors so that they can uh, do their work easily. Next, third part is that we can develop machines. Such type of machines like scrubbing machines, box sweepers, polishing machines, vacuum cleaners, vapor cleaning machines. Such type of machines we can now develop, and they must be cheaper so that the uh, people doing cleaning job may use these easily. They can get easily, and we they can they do not suffer from the uh, any health problem which they are facing these days now. So these for three changes, at least three changes can change the scenario of this society. So it's an important lesson so that children can choose and give respect, give proper dignity to the all jobs in the society. No job is smaller or bigger. Every job is important for the society to run smoothly and comfortably. Okay, children, thank you for all, and wait for the next video of lesson number 17. Till then, goodbye. If you like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.